Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. We have been studying and understanding the 26th verse of the Dandakam. The next sentence of this long 26th verse is He Maheshani Ramasecha Kameshwari Kamagiriyalaye Ananga Kusumadibhi Sevita Tadubari Jalandhara Pithe Vajra Pitheshu Vajreshwari Parijanan Natayasi Punaha Purnagiri Gahware Nagna Vasanarchite Bhagamalini Vilasasi. He Maheshani Ramase cha Kameshwari Kamagiryalaye Ananga Kusumadibhi Sevita. O the great Lordess, He Maheshani, assuming the name of Kameshwari, you reside in Kamagiri Pitha, attended by the deities, namely Ananga Kusuma, etc. Tadupari Jalandhara Pithe Vajra Pitheshu Vajreshwari Parijanan Natayasi. Above that, in the diamond seat of Jalandhara Pitha, you rejoice in the dance of your attendants, Parijanan attendants. Punaha Purnagiri Gahware Nagna Vasanarchite Bhagamalini Vilasasi. Again, in Purnagiri Pitha, you are worshipped as Bhagamalini by the unclad Bhairava. Vama, Jeshtha and Raudri Shaktis who manifest from Parashakti, who is the seed of the universe, become the presiding deities of the primary triangle of Sri Chakra. That is what is explained in this sentence. They become known as Atirahasya Yoginis, or the Yoginis of the most secret order in the primary triangle, which has a special name, Sarva Siddhi Prada Chakra of Sri Chakra. That is what is explained in the sentence that we just saw. It is said in Nitya Shodashi Karnava, Kameshwarim Agrakone Vajreshim Dakshine Tatha Vamepi Bhagamalam tu Madhye Tripura Sundarim. The primary triangle of the Sri Chakra is a triangle with apex downwards, known as Shakti Trikonam. The bottom corner of this triangle is the seat of Sri Mahakameshwari, along with her consort Sri Mitreshanatha, who is none other than a form of Shiva. The top right corner is the seat of Sri Mahavajreshwari, along with her consort Sri Shashtishanatha. And the top left corner is the seat of Sri Mahabhagamalini, along with her consort Sri Udishanatha. It is further described in Yogini Hridayam, Bhasanad Vishwarupasya Swarupe Bhahyatopicha Etas Chatasraha Shaktiyastu Ka Puja O Idikramat. That is, when as a relative reality, as a new cosmic dimension, Parashakti manifests as a reflection of the united form of Shiva and Shakti, she multiplies into 4 Shaktis. Etaha Chatasraha Shaktyaha tu. These 4 Shaktis are Kameshwari, Vajreshwari, Bhagamalini, and the 4th in the center of the triangle, Tripura Sundari. And they are located in 4 seats, Pithas, namely Ka, Pu, Ja, O. That is Kamagiri Pitham, Purnagiri Pitham, Jalandhara Pitham and Odyana Pitham. Where are these seats? It is said in tantras like Vamakeshwara Tantra, etc., that these 4 pithas exist in the microcosmic human body on the 4 realms, mandalas, in the path of Sushumna Nadi, and in the cosmos they are in earth, air, water and fire. Kshiti Pavana Jalagni Mantala Rupa iti. But in this Dandakam, the description that Kameshwari is served by deities like Ananga Kusuma and so on. Vajreshwari is seated on the diamond seat of Vajrapitha, served by attending deities, and Bhagamalini being worshipped by the naked Bhairava on Purnagiri Pitha is somewhat strange and unfamiliar. We are unable to understand the true significance and meaning of this statement. And not only this, in Srividya tradition, Vajreshwari belongs to Purnagiri Pitha and Bhagamalini belongs to Jalandhara Pitha. So in that order also there is some difference here in this Dandakam. And in the last sentence of this verse, that is 26th verse, which is also the last verse of the Dandakam, the Acharya concludes this hymn mentioning that the great goddess Sri Tripura Sundari, who is the goddess of worship of this Dandakam, resides in Odyana Pitham, which is the Bindu or the central point of Sri Chakram. Devi Jwalan Madana Sharanikara Madhu Vikasita Samada Madhukara Kadamba Vipina Vibhave Bhagavati Sri Tripura Sundari Sri Odyana Pitha Nilaye Odyana Pithe Namaste 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 Shive. Devi Kadamba Vipina Vibhave, O Devi who resides in the forest of Kadamba trees with great majesty and nobility. What kind of Kadamba forest? Vikasita Samada Madhukara, the forest filled with intoxicated bees. And how or why are they intoxicated? Jwalan Madana Sharanikara Madhu, because of the nectar that is dripping from the shining floral arrows of Manmatha, and by drinking it. Bhagavati Sri Tripura Sundari Sri Odyana Pithe, O goddess Bhagavati Sri Tripura Sundari, who is seated on the august Odyana Pitha, Namaste, 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 Namaste Shive. O Mother, who is not different from Shiva, I worship you, I offer my prayers to you. Namaste, 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 Namaste. 4 Namastes for the 4 Devis of the 4 Pithas. Iti Sri Tripura Sundari Charana Kinkini Shinjitam Mahapranati Deepakam Tripura Sundari Dandakam Imam Bhajati Bhaktiman Patati Yas Sudhi Sadhakah Sacha Ashtaguna Sampatam Bhavatu Bhajanam Sarvada. Iti, thus Tripura Sundari Dandakam Imam Bhajati Bhaktiman Patati Yah Sudhihi Sadhakah. A wise aspirant who recites this Tripura Sundari Dandakam with devotion, this Dandakam, which is Tripura Sundari Charana Kinkini Shinjita, the melodious tinkling sound of the anklets of the Divine Mother Sri Tripura Sundari Devi, and also Maha Pranati Deepakam, the great lamp that would lead to the devotion of Paradevata, the supreme goddess. Or it can also mean the glorious composition of Deepakala Natha Siddha. Sa Ashtaguna Sampadam Bhavatu Bhajanam Sarvada. He or she is sure to beget the Ashtagunas, the 8 great virtues which we had known earlier, such as compassion, forbearance, absence of jealousy, purity, avoiding idleness, auspiciousness, charitableness, and non-attachment. And thus, without hindrance of the harmful effects of past deeds, such a devoted aspirant will be able to proceed on the path of sadhana. That is the guarantee that this Dandakam is giving. This 27th verse and two more verses are the concluding verses. So the next one, Saudhambudha Varunapoda Suvarna Shaila Kadamba Divyavana Madhyama Varna Bhumau Bhasvat Vichitramani Mandapa Divya Pitha Madhyasthitam Bhuvana Mataram Ashrayami. It is again a Dhyana Shloka, right? Bhuvana Mataram Ashrayami. I seek refuge at the feet of the Mother of the Universe, Bhuvana Mata. Bhasvad Vichitra Mani Mandapa Divya Pitha Madhyasthitam, who is seated on a divine throne placed in the center of the radiant Chintamani mansion, and the mansion is located where? Kadamba Divyavana Madhyama Varna Bhumau, on the divine land inside the forest of Kadamba trees, where the Matrika Varnas, the alphabets as the source of language, are born. And where is this Kadamba forest situated? Saudhambudhau Arunapoda Suvarna Shaila, on the crest of the golden Meru mountain, which is seen like a great boat of light red radiance in the middle of the milk ocean. Next, and the concluding verse, Brahmendra Rudra Harichandra Sahasra Rashmi Skanda Dvipanana Hutashana Vandidaye Vagishwari Tribhuvaneshwari Vishwamadar Antarbahischa Krita Samsthitaye Namaste. Brahma, Indra, Rudra, Hari, Chandra, Sahasra Rashmi, Skanda, Dvipa Anana, Hudashana Vanditaye. O the great goddess who is worshipped by Brahma, Indra, Rudra, Vishnu, moon and sun, Chandra Surya, Skanda or Subramanya, then Dvipanana, elephant-faced Ganapati, and Hutashana, Agni or fire god. Vagishwari, Tribhuvaneshwari, Vishwamata. O the Lordess of the worlds, who is the ruler of three worlds or three states, that is waking, dream and deep sleep, and who is the mother of the universe. Here, Vagishwari means the Vagbhava Bijam of the Trakshari mantra. Tribhuvaneshwari indicates the Kamaraja Bija, and Vishwamata means the Shakti Bija. So, like in the case of the first Mangalacharana verse, this last verse also can be deemed to praise the triple Bijas of the goddess, Sri Tripura Devi's Trakshari mantra. Antarbahischa Krita Samsthitaye Namaste. I worship the great Parashakti who is present as sentience, Chit, both in and out of this cosmos and all the living beings. The consciousness or awareness in the form of Chit Shakti is what is filled inside all the living organisms and also the entire cosmic space. Yoga Vasishtha says, Yaivachit bhuvana bhoge bhushane vyomni bhaskare dhara vivarakoshaste saivachit kitakodare. Meaning, it is only that sentient Chit Shakti which blazes inside the massively brilliant sun and also inside the minutest worm that crawls inside some unknown filthy pit. Thus, the great master Acharya Sri Deepakanatha Siddha concludes his wonderful hymn Sri Tripura Sundari Dandakam by paying his obeisance to the great Shakti which is filled everywhere. Iti Deepakanatha Siddha Virachitam Sri Tripura Sundari Dandakam Samaptam. So, Thank you very much for listening to this commentary. If this 9-part, 10-part discourse could throw some light on understanding this rare and ancient hymn, then my purpose is fulfilled. Thanks again. Namaste.